Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing a product that promises to make an everyday chore much more fun for kids, especially those with braces or a tendency to avoid traditional flossing. Introducing the Waterpik Water Flosser for kids, a countertop flosser designed to help your little ones achieve better oral hygiene with ease. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Waterpik Water Flosser for kids is specifically crafted for children ages 6 and up, with a design that's simple, safe, and effective. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. An impressive stat, especially when you consider that it's up to 50% more effective than traditional floss for improving gum health. This is a game changer for kids with braces or other orthodontic appliances, as it's been clinically proven to be up to 3 times more effective than brushing and traditional flossing combined, and up to 5 times more effective than brushing alone. Now, I'm sure you're wondering about its real-world application. From my experience using it, this flosser is super easy to incorporate into a kid's routine. It's lightweight and compact, so even smaller hands can comfortably hold and maneuver it. The pressure settings are adjustable, which is a nice touch, allowing you to tailor it to your child's sensitivity. And here's the kicker. Kids love the fun, removable cling labels that come with it, making it even more engaging for them to use daily. In terms of design, the flosser is sturdy and well-built, with a 15-ounce capacity that's perfect for multiple uses. The included orthodontic tip is ideal for kids with braces, while the classic jet tip is great for general cleaning. The 3 pressure settings give you flexibility in how much power is used, which is important for those who may be more sensitive to water pressure. On the downside, I did notice that it can be a little noisy, so if you're in a quiet house, it might be a bit of a distraction. However, that's a minor issue given all the positives this flosser brings to the table. So, is it worth the price? Absolutely. For families with kids who wear braces or just struggle with flossing, the Waterpik Water Flosser is a valuable tool. It's easy to use, fun for kids, and clinically proven to improve gum health. When it comes to value for money, you're getting a quality product that helps maintain proper oral hygiene in a way that's way more effective than traditional flossing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Let's talk alternatives. While this Waterpik is great, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, you might want to consider similar products like the Panasonic Dental Water Flosser. It offers similar features and performance, though it may not have all the fun extras like the cling labels. As for the build quality, Waterpik offers a solid product backed by a 2-year limited warranty, so you can trust their customer support to be there if you need assistance. To wrap things up, the Waterpik Water Flosser for kids is a solid choice for parents looking to make flossing easier and more enjoyable for their children. With its effective performance, fun design, and safe operation, it's a product that definitely delivers on its promises. If your child struggles with flossing or wears braces, I'd highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.